You're on Breakfast Club. You've had a busy year from the year started. Trust me, and we see a lot of good stuff happening for you right now.
Real. I mean, that tells you that we have a lot more in store. And ultimately, I'm grateful for life because, we've also lost a few of our brothers, drastically. And it don't make sense how quick a man drop off, when just hours ago he was spit and firm. So I want to use this opportunity to express my condolences to my brothers, AKA from South Africa, and then Costa Titch. Costa Titch is Ash, my lord. I brought the brother to Ghana just December, for my annual concert. We have like 4 songs done. I was in South Africa, and when I'm on the road and I'm doing all these things, I still give thanks, because we are representing for culture and a broader perspective of keeping the entertainment alive